I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the YouTube app on your phone to begin finding downloads. Ensure you are signed in to the account that made the downloads. You must have an active YouTube Premium subscription to download videos for offline viewing. From the home screen, tap Library at the bottom to access your content. In Library, look for the Downloads tab and tap it to open. The Downloads section lists videos saved for offline playback inside the app only. Start by opening the YouTube app and tapping Library at the bottom. Next, select Downloads to view every video saved for offline playback on that account. To manage a specific video, tap the three-dot menu next to the title to remove or make available offline. Use the toggle to restrict downloads to Wi-Fi only if desired for data savings. On Android devices, cached download files are also stored at /android/data/com. Google, Android, YouTube/files. On iPhone, downloaded videos stay inside the YouTube app and are not exposed in files. Understand that desktop browsers do not support YouTube offline downloads normally. Instead, use the YouTube mobile app if you want offline access on a device. To control storage use, open settings in the app and change download quality to low, standard, or high. Lower quality saves space and speeds downloads, while higher quality uses more space. Remember that downloaded videos may expire and require reconnecting to the internet to validate your subscription. Finally, remove downloads you no longer need to free up device storage quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.